Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Ford Escape in neutral. Whether you have a modern electronic rotary dial or a more traditional shifter, knowing these steps is crucial for various situations like towing or moving your vehicle without power. We will cover the standard procedures, special neutral tow modes, and emergency overrides to ensure you can safely and effectively place your Ford Escape into neutral. For Ford Escapes with an electronic rotary dial or push-button shifter, begin by switching your vehicle to accessory mode. Then, use the steering wheel controls to navigate to the settings menu on your information display and select Neutral Tow. Follow the on-screen prompts, which will instruct you to press the brake pedal and select neutral. If there's no power, you might need to remove a small panel near the shifter and pull an orange release handle to manually engage neutral. If your Ford Escape has a traditional column or console shifter, the process for emergency neutral is different. You will typically find a small access cover near the shifter. Carefully remove this cover, often with a flathead screwdriver. Inside, you will see a shift release button or lever. Press this button firmly while simultaneously moving the gear shifter into the neutral position. For certain electronic shifters without power, pressing both the brake and gas pedals fully in accessory mode can also engage neutral. When your Ford Escape is in neutral, especially for towing, always remember to release the parking brake. If flat towing, ensure you do not exceed a speed of 70 miles per hour. For automatic car washes, some models offer a stay in neutral mode by selecting neutral and pressing the sport or manual button twice. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for the most accurate and detailed instructions specific to your Ford Escape model.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.